In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on biometrics and passwords. Then hit face recognition. Enter your current login method and hit add. You can also tap on this icon next to enable rise to wake to enable or disable this option. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done. Click on cancel or turn on in the pop-up and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!